ఓం శ్రీ కృష్ణాయ పరమాత్మనే నమః.
Yesterday we started Bhagavad Gita tidbits, and today I am so happy that I have Professor Naga Raja from Nellore who is going to contribute into this journey, dialogue on Gita, the Gita way. Yesterday we said Bhagavad Gita doesn't have right and wrong. Today's bit will be on Dharma is deeper than moral labels. Krishna does not argue with Arjuna, pursuing him to fight. War is not morally right. He pursues Arjuna for what? To act, because fighting is Dharma. It's not right, morally right, but it is Dharma. His duty, his role, the truth of who he is at that moment, being truthful at any moment to yourself and your person around you who is your partner, is your Dharma. Dharma is bigger than, Dharma is higher than, Dharma is superior than the good and the bad. It is the path that keeps you aligned with your goals, which is of highest nature. In everyday life, this means something, doing what feels hard or unpopular or simply because it's your responsibility. For the Gita, you are doing Dharma is more important, more favorable to Bhagavan than chasing the comfort of being called very good. It's a comfort zone, being good. No. You have to jump from the comfort zone out. Dharma which supports a lot of people, which will give good for many other people. The very good theme that we can talk about, good and bad. One Swadharma is more important. That is what is told in the second chapter, 31st sloka.
ధర్మమపి చావేక్ష్య న వికంపితుమర్హసి ధర్మ్యాద్ధి యుద్ధాశ్రేయోన్యత్ క్షత్రియస్య న విద్యతే.
స్వధర్మమపి చావేక్ష్య న వికంపితుమర్హసి ధర్మ్యాధి యుద్ధాచ్ఛేయో అన్యత్ క్షత్రియస్య న విద్యతే. Which means, considering your own dharma, which you should never waver. For a warrior, for a kshatriya, there is nothing higher than fighting a war. You may end your life in the war field, but that has to be courageously accepted. So dharma is more important. Sri Krishna is not saying war is good in a moral sense. He is reminding Arjuna that his role as a kshatriya, protector of the society, makes it his dharma to stand up and fight when justice is at stake. It comes in 3rd chapter, 35th sloka.
శ్రేయాన్ స్వధర్మో విగుణః పరధర్మాత్ స్వనుష్ఠితాత్ స్వధర్మే నిధనం శ్రేయః పరధర్మో భయావహః.
It is better to imperfectly perform one's own dharma than to perfectly perform others' dharma. I have to do my job. I don't do my job and do somebody's job perfectly is not the right one. I have to do my job. That's more important. Somebody's job is somebody's job. Or you shift your job. Get into that shoes. That is probably my dharma. When I am in danger, fighting war, that is my dharma. Accept it as it is. That's what is to be done. There is nothing good and bad. Dharma is the same as morally labeled by some people as good, for some other people it is labeled as bad. You don't have to become violent. You don't have to become bad. In that frame of reference, avoiding betraying my own duty, my own job, my own assignment is a big crime. Better to follow my activity, my dharma, even if it is difficult, than to abandon it, not address it. The comfort of being good is not right. That's what today we dealt. So in everyday life, sometimes responsibility, dharma asks us to act in ways that are not uncomfortable, which may be misunderstood by many people. But you think with your knowledge, with the assigned activity, you are aligned, staying with your dharma, do it, and you are connected to the higher self. Today somebody may find you fault, but Bhagavan will find you right. Namaskar.